Very morning. So come to the topic, continuing topic model, as we are studying model. So meaning of model. Model is a type of auxiliary or helping verb that is used to express either ability, possibility, permission or obligation. Such word we call it model, and these generally denote future action. So in the previous video we have studied about the use of will, use of would, use of should, and in this video we will study the use of shall. So the past form of shall is should, and where to use should we have studied in the previous video. Now in this present video we will try to understand where and how to use model shall. So by following the simple and appropriate rule, we will be able to learn when and where to use shall. So when any simple future action denotes for the first person without emphasis, means if any simple future action is shown there but that future action is not for any emphasis and for the first person, then we use shall. I shall be home in an hour. So I shall be home in an hour shows that there is no emphasis. Means if emphasis is shown, then we use will in place of shall. But there without emphasis means you are not sure, you are not very sure that you are going to reach your home in just 1 hour. So that means that emphasis is not shown there. And for the first person, at that time we use model shall. Next, the simple future actions for the second and third person with emphasis. Means if any simple future action denoted there and those simple future actions shows emphasis for first, second person and third person, means surety is there, and that time we use shall with second and third person. Example, you shall come with me at once. So you shall come with me at once means it is very sure that you are coming with me at once. So you denote second person, and in this situation we are going to use shall with third person or second person when emphasis is shown for the future action. So this situation denote the use of shall. Now come to the next situation. If any polite question or an offer or a suggestion or asking an advice, if such situation shows, then we are going to use what? Shall. And here we have used shall first person, first person, first person, first person. So we are going to use shall with first person when any polite question is there or any offer is there or any suggestion or asking an advice. So polite question, shall I get you a taxi? So this shows a polite question. In this situation we use shall, the model shall. Shall we drop you home? It is an offer. It is an offer, showing offer. So shall we denote first person plural case. So here we use model shall. Shall we discuss it tomorrow? So it is a suggestion. It is what? A suggestion that we shall we discuss it about tomorrow. Next day, can we discuss for that topic? So here first person, so we use model shall. What shall I do about it? So asking an advice, you are asking advice that what you are going to do about that. So in that situation with first person we use model shall. So we have to follow the related situation for the use of related model, and this you have to keep in mind. Then you are going to use the correct model at correct place. Now the next situation for the use of shall is what? High degree of formality. If the formality is of high degree, then that time you are going to use shall with third person. They shall be deposited on the first day of every month. So it is a case of formal, but the degree is very high. So high degree of formality is shown there, reflected there. So at that time we use modal shall. Next, if any obligation is made there, so at that time you are going to use modal shall. Third person, for third person. The students shall abide by the rule. So it is the duty or obligation for every student to follow the rule. And here the students, we are talking about the student means third person. So for third person we are going to use modal shall at this situation. So at various situations we follow the rule for the use of shall with first person or second person or third person. So this is the use of modal for the use of modal shall. So that's all for today.